A very warm welcome to my channel. We are in summer and we are all going to go to the beach and have a lot of beach activities or summer activities. If you're interested in getting a beautiful complexion, please keep on watching. A physician by profession, I've always tried to finding out the secrets to have a beautiful body, have a beautiful glow that comes from inside, and fashion, lifestyle and makeup. I have given these tips to my patients for years and years and years, and these tips are really a game changer. Number one tip to get a complexion which is perfect for the beach is this product. Now this product is from the VitaClean. I don't know if you guys are aware about VitaClean as a product. So I have a shower where I use a VitaClean shower, and I'll try to link in one of the links for the VitaClean. But this is a product made by the VitaClean. So what does it have? It has organic coffee, it has coconut, it has dead sea salt, it has mica, it has sugar. So this is all natural products. So what you're going to do is, before you go to the sand or beach, you have to take a little bit of this and you have to go into the shower and kind of put this all over your body and kind of have light circular movements for your body. And then you're going to rinse it. When you come out of the shower, you're going to have this perfected body look, which is so natural and beautiful looking. I don't think I have found a product as close to this, which is so easy to use, and it just takes your beach look to a whole different level. The next best game changer in complexion and skin is Charlotte Tilbury's product. This I actually had a sample and then I fell in love. So during the Nordstrom sale, I usually buy like a big bottle of this Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Supermodel body. This can be used by anybody really. You know, you just have to take a little bit of the Charlotte's Supermodel body and just kind of with circular motions you're going to put it all over the areas that you want to have a beautiful natural glow. I can always use it even if I'm going out of the house and I don't want to use makeup. I'll just take some of this and put it off on my arms and legs. So just to give you a nice beautiful sheen and a lit kind of glow that comes from inside. As you guys know, I'm a huge Charlotte Tilbury fan, and you are not going to repent buying the Supermodel body. It's absolutely amazing and I cannot live without it. The next best product that I can talk to you about is Cellulift from Image. As you know, Image is a skincare which is usually practiced by physicians. This is probably one of the best Cellulift product I've used. So the way you use this product is after you come out of the shower, make sure you are not getting your body dry. Do not get your body dry. You want the moisture to be there. You want to use the Cellulift on the top of the moisture and kind of in a gliding motion, which causes you to have this beautiful, perfected anti-cellulite kind of a surface, which really can be used twice a day to help reduce your cellulite. I will try to do a dedicated video on cellulite because a lot of people have requested it. So if you guys want to watch a video on cellulite, please write below and please let me know what is your complexion perfection product. Number 4 is Sol de Janeiro's Samba Sway Glow Motions, and I have been using this for quite a while now. I got this probably during the Christmas sale. I found this brand which is called the Sol de Janeiro. It's from Brazil, and it's just a beautiful brand. It has amazing products, and I'm going to show you how the bottle looks like. Now this is a brand new one, but I also have used their other products which are hair sprays or skin spray or perfume, fragrance, a lot of things. But one of the amazing product that they came out with is a glow oil. As you guys probably know, Tom Ford has a glow oil and I absolutely love it, but it's a huge price point for people to buy. But this one is not that expensive, but it definitely gives you a beautiful sun-kissed glow. And I'm going to show you just the consistency of it, and it immediately bang gives you that inherent glow within seconds and a bronze look. So if you did not have time to bronze yourself or to get a tan, you can always take help of this. Also, when you're going out in the evening during summer, you can absolutely use the Sal de Janeiro's Samba Sway and have this perfected beach look. The next product I'm going to talk to you about is my final product in this video. However, it is one of the most coveted products that has been found. This is from Jennifer Lopez's makeup director, makeup artist, and it is called the Body Bling, and this is from the Scott Burns collection of the Body Bling. Literally, it is a bling. And this product is absolutely amazing. This is actually one of the most oldest product. It's actually one of the first product that came out that gives you such a beautiful glow. So I have the glow lotions on my left hand, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this on my right hand and show you how it looks like. Both the products are kind of a same. This is a little bit more dramatic. So if you're going for an evening out, or you really want to take your tanning game up, you can use Scott Burns' Body Bling. I have absolutely loved it. This is probably my third or fourth tube that I use to get a perfected glow or a perfected body. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit on the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please write below what is your perfected regimen or your perfected skin product that gives you a beautiful skin.